Crude oil WTI so far for the day traded in a no trade zone. Earlier in the day I have mentioned that only bullishness is if it breaks beyond 69.4 levels. See what has happened, hitting 69.4 itself it has tried to reverse, while on the downside 68.4 68.6 zone appeared to be a very good support. Likewise for natural gas it has failed to stay above 3.16 and now trying to erase some of the gains. So what to expect now from crude oil and natural gas with the US session? Can we expect further rise or there is the possibility of a crash again? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. We're gonna do a multi-time frame analysis and arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade with profit, trade with confidence, trade with logic. Subscribe, press the bell icon, as this is the only channel in the world to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and proper logic. Do like, share, and comment. That is a great motivation. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into crude oil WTI, followed with nat gas. Watch till the end. If you look at oil on the early charts, what has happened? Slightly higher highs are seen and slightly lower lows are also there. The median now at around 67.8, 68.5 zone. This is the zone which is going to remain the greater support zone or the resistance zone. If the price trades below this zone is going to become the support, resistance for further upward move. If it is trading upwards, it is going to remain the support here. Very clear. What is happening on the early charts? After hitting the highs, price is retraced and it has come towards its first support at 68.4, 68.6 zone. So now if you see it trading below 68.4, you can again take a selling entry and expect it to drop further. Else right now I will say it is under retracement and it is still forming this nice flag. The highs for this flag are above 69.5, 69.6 levels. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising a bit. Well, but the MACD, if you see, it has crossed over, trading with divergence, looking downwards, certainly a bearish indication. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 2 hour, look at 2 hour charts. The crossover here in the moving average is definitely a good bullish sign here. And if you look at the formation 20 period moving average, giving it a good support. The next thing is that the bearishness getting diminished here, which calls for it to reverse. But I can see a flat top here, which suggests that we have to wait for it to stay above 69.4, 69.6, because beyond that the next resistance is directly at 70.4, 70.6 levels. The crossover here is a very good sign for the bulls here for the next few candles. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover for sell. It is not yet crossed over though. RSI has dropped a bit. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, see what has happened. Look at the formation. See, first of all, very strong resistance on the upside, first bearish candle, then a swing, and the current candle may also deliver a swing here. If it trades below now 68.4, we can look forward to a move towards 68, 67.8, which is going to remain the prime support, and any move below 67.8 is a clear sign of further bearishness. But right now what is happening after the drop here, it is trying to bounce back. However, I will wait for it to break beyond 69.4, 69.6. That is the zone beyond which it will turn bullish. The stochastic has dropped. MACD is in green. It is not yet converged or crossover. The RSI has dropped here. Coming to 4 hour. On the 4 hour charts, you can find out a little resistance here trying to revert. But if you draw a symmetry, you can find out these two candles have breakout. And now we have to wait. We have to wait for it to trade below 68.4, and then 68, 67.8 is going to be the next target. Once it trades below 67.8, we can expect that this may be a call for a reversal, but largely I can say it is still trading with a bullish bias and not yet turning bearish. See, this is an expanding triangle. This is the median. Only bearishness confirmation is if it trades below 67.8. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is still bullish. The RSI is flat near to top. Coming to daily. Now see on the daily charts, first of all, it was trading bearish till here. Yesterday we have seen a greater recovery. Now 20 period moving average is providing it a resistance and see a flat top. Thus it is very important for now for oil to trade beyond 69.4, 69.6. Now see, it is possible, it is still possible, because see, it is after forming a greater bullish candle, it is forming a tail. If it breaks beyond this, we can look forward to an exceptional rise again, which is going to take the prices towards 70.4, 70.6, and in fact 71.4 levels here. Possibility is high that it can still reverse. However, you have to watch out with caution till then. See, right now it is staying in the box and it can try to stay in the box, and as long as it stays in the box, you should not be treating oil is either bullish or bearish. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish trying to convert, the RSI is comfortable. So looking at this, if you want to learn, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals, you can find out the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, the buying entries are very clear. If you see it, oil at 69.4, initiated buying entry, expected to break beyond 69.6. And then beyond this, I will be looking forward to 70, 70.5. And if 70.5, 70.6 is taken, then it is certainly to be treated as bullish, where you can look forward to 71.3 and 72.5 levels as the next targets. On the downside, however, right now it is staying bearish. And on the downside, if you see it trading below 68.4, remember when I give you this buying and selling entries, just eliminate the spreads and take the higher prices. So 68.4 is the level at which you can take a selling entry. Be careful at around 68, 67.8. And if you see oil trading below 68, 67.8, you can say now more bearishness to prevail. 67.3 and 67 are going to be the next targets. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural gas on the hourly chart. See, after hitting the highs at 3.16, we have seen it reversing, and see, these were the highs we have seen with the week beginning as well. Now, what has happened since then? It is reversed here and now trying to trade bearish. So, if you see it now trading below 3.11 zone, you can take a selling entry and expect it to move towards 3.0908. And any drop below 3.08 is a sign of further bearishness. If you look at the hourly charts, the moving averages are definitely trading bullish. We can see the price is crossing over below the 20 period moving average. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD is trading with bearishness looking downwards. The RSI has dropped as well. Coming to look at the 2 hour charts here. See, preceding candle, if you notice, it has come with a push from the upside and now it is breaching below the support. So if you see it trading below 3.11, take a selling entry. But you have to be extremely alert, extremely cautious for 3.08 and 3.06 levels. And only bearishness is if it trades below 3.06, where you can expect more drop here in net gas prices. The stochastic dropping sharp. MACD is on the verge of a crossover, and this crossover is a bearish indication which can take the prices further lower. RSI has dropped as well. On the 3 hour charts, likewise, the preceding candle comes with the push from the upside, and now it is trying to give a breakout. And now, once it stays below 3.11, 3.08 zone, is where you can say more bearishness to be there, where in fact you can expect 3.0504 levels, below which you can expect a greater correction here. If you look at the stochastic, this is drop sharp. The MACD is in green, trying to converge crossover for a sell. The RSI is also turning slightly bearish. Likewise, on the 4 hour charts, the current candle appears to be delivering a breakout. But yes, I will still not say that it is turning bearish as long as 3.08 levels are not taken, and below which you can expect 3.0504. Very, very important supports are there at this zone, breaking below which you can expect more bearishness to prevail here in the natural gas prices. The stochastic coming out of the overbought zone trying to trade bearish. The MACD is in green trying to converge crossover for a sell. It is still bullish. It is not much of room on the upside. The RSI has dropped a bit. And if you look at the daily chart, see what has happened on the daily chart. On the daily charts, prices have hit the peak here and now trying to trade in red. Now see, one candle with moderate bearish body, second one with an indecision, and the third one might try to trade in red. In fact, it can try to stay in zone where 3.0405 is going to be the prime support. Only reversal confirmation, only bullish confirmation is if you see it trading above 3.16, then only we should treat this as bullish. In fact, even if you see it staying above 3.14 now, you can initiate a buying entry, but be careful till 3.16, where you can breaking past which you can expect 3.2, 3.24. And several times in the recent updates I have mentioned that beyond 3.24, the next target is directly towards 3.5, 3.6 zone. Be mindful of this for natural gas specific. Stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over. It is still trading bullish, looking upwards, and it has got lot much of room on the upside for further rise. The RSI is coming to comfortable levels as well. So looking at this, very simple, buy at 3.14, expect 3.16, 3.2, 3.24, and beyond this sky. But yes, 3.3 and 3.35 levels are going to be the first resistance levels. Beyond this, 3.45 and 3.5 levels should be the next targets. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3.11 levels, expect 3.0908 as the first target, 3.0504 as the second, and any drop below 3.0504 is a clear sign for further bearishness towards 3 and 2.94 levels here. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. See you again tomorrow with the Asian Europe session with more updates. Do not miss to watch that. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.